Hello folks, I'm Scott Newman from US Marker Board, and what we're here to talk about today is spring roller window shades for a door. Now this item has become very popular, especially in schools. And what we have here is a 4-ply fiberglass, inherently flame retardant, room darkening window shade. This is perfect for a school environment. It comes with a heat sealed hem bar, it comes with metal stamped nickel plated end brackets and spring roller on the side. What I'm going to show you right now is how to measure it and put it up. The key to success is making sure that the cloth covers over the glass. So you want to measure 1 inch this way and 1 inch this way, and then measure from here to here, and we will add 12 inches on for the roll. So I'm going to go ahead and measure and install that for you. Each shade comes with a set of outside mounting brackets. One end right here has the slot that the pin goes in on the right hand side, and the other end is open where the spring roller goes in on the left. I've already gone ahead and made marks on my door, so I know where my 1 inch is.